Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I am about to pick a winner for my January giveaway. So I have this up right now just so you can remember what's in it. I had some hand-dyed yarn for Valentine's Day, all sorts of goodies. We had a Hat Not Hate tote and some blue yarn, all sorts of stuff like that. So I'm over here on the YouTube random comment picker. My cat is playing with the cable here. It's connected to my microphone, so if you hear any weird noises, that's him. That was also him. Anyway, so I have the video URL for that giveaway. I have filtered duplicate users, just one entry per person. I filtered comments based on a specific text, which is love. I had asked people to, if they wanted to enter the giveaway, to make sure that you put the word love in your comment. And I went ahead, just ignore him. I just went ahead and put my, my own name in, because I did end up responding to somebody who, like earlier this morning. So anyway, I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't picked. And I did this math problem here, and so now I'm going to get the YouTube comments. So we're gonna find out how many people entered. 456. I think that's the most people who've entered so far in any of my giveaways, but at the same time, that's still a pretty low amount of people, so everybody who entered has a pretty good chance, at least compared to some of the bigger channels. So I am ready to pick a random winner. I'm going to hit this button that says start. Once I click on it, it's going to show an animation of some different people who've commented, and it's going to land on one. Who it lands on, that's the winner. So 3, 2, 1, let's see who won. Not too old to be crafty, Cecilia M. She says, Cassie, I love that Noro yarn you showed us in the video. The color is amazing. Yeah, I almost always put a Noro yarn in my giveaways. So I'm glad that you like that, Cecilia. So congratulations, Cecilia. What I'm gonna need from you is for you to send me an email with an address where you can accept mail, and I will mail this out to you as soon as I get that. Now, if you want to know where my email address is, just know that that is going to be in the description of this video and also in the comment that's pinned to this video. So you should be able to find it, but it's nichecraftwithcassie@gmail.com. And for those of you who did not win, no worries. I have got another giveaway that's going to be posted very soon, so you will have plenty of opportunities to win more amazing giveaway prizes on this channel. So could go ahead and congratulate Cecilia, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.